Guess who's back? Back again. Yes, he's back! The Brian! He's back! Where's he been? Steering head bearings. A couple of weeks ago I discovered, well, I realised I was having problems with the steering head bearings. They were a bit stiff and notchy. I wasn't very happy. Took them apart to clean them and discovered the top bearing was absolutely sea solid. So new bearings ordered off eBay, 24 quid, sorted, no problem at all. Couldn't get the bottom bearing off the headstock because I didn't have the tools. So somebody else done it for me, which is very kind of them, thank you very much, mate. They discovered when they pulled the bottom bearing off that there was a seal underneath the bearing, which we didn't know about and which doesn't come in a kit. So I'm weaving my way around all these back streets, give plenty of steering, check the steering's all okay. Yeah, so I had to order the seal. So being a sensible person that what I can be on odd occasions, I ordered two from Wiimoto. They're only like £3.5 a piece. With postage it was like a tenner for the two seals, but well worth it. I've got a spare now. So bearing was done on Monday, today's Tuesday. I just finished putting the bike back together. All appears to be well. Getting used to a definite lack of brakes again compared to my KTM. Of course KTM's got amazing brakes compared to the Himalayan, but I do like the Himalayan. So yeah, no major dramas, no problems. The only issue I had throughout the whole job, in reality, was starting the bike afterwards. The bike was sat in the shed for about 3 weeks in the cold and damp, and it has been quite cold at night. Couldn't start it or anything because the fuel tank was off. And when I went to start it, as expected, somewhat flat battery. Quick jump start off Mrs. Grump's car and away we go. So this is a test ride to make sure everything's working as it should. So far so goodie. Right, happy days. The Brian is back on the channel, back on the road too, because this is my commuting bike, so it was kind of important that I get it back. Feeling I think the steering head bearings need a little bit tightening up, which I shall do when I get home. Feel a little bit of free play on them, not a massive amount, but hey ho, we shall sort that out now. Okay folks, that's it, test ride. The Brian is back. A few minor tweaks, a bit of Teletubbies, some adjustments, and we're back on the road again. I'm on the road again. No, I'm not going to start singing. I'm just happy the Brian is back. Back again. Okay folks, whatever you are doing, please be safe, ride safe and have fun. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, all the usual. And I shall catch you next time. Toodles!